My brother, since Tinubu enter, nobody don't die, yo. Una no know. To kill person. Now, that's why one policeman go kill person for Port Harcourt. Go shoot thief for Port Harcourt. Then sack the man now. If they go kill thief when he colleague, they rule us.
Tinubu don't give us code on how to buy things cheaper. Anybody will vote APC where they suffer for this regime, na person will not they come meeting. We give me when you say I vote, Peter will be why I go vote person when I know his age. See this one.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.
Mona clap for me, na night boss I use con Lagos, so Mona clap, oh. This one na Lagos, and only online it is sweet, oh. Offline, Lagos, traffic, way full am. Baba, now so now they survive for this Lagos. Island to island, 32,000. How na they run am? You know, say na so I go book boat, oh. From island to mainland, I don't know. I kill the driver now. They Chris, they go and ride. I don't know what when I gather they laugh. What's funny about this country? When I gather they waste time. Baba, the country hard. I call Lagos, DJ. I call Lagos. So who send me? I go price boxer. They say boxer 12.5. I be Anthony Joshua. Wait till the box. Eh? And this Lagos, you know, I don't realize since Tinubu enter, nobody don't die. No, that one just died. I'm going to concern me. He won't spoil the joke. I be one help him. Dibola, don't they do jokes? I forget to be photographer before. I beg clap for Dibola property. I beg. Yeah, that's funny joke. My brother, since Tinubu enter, nobody don't die, yo. No. You know how much be bullet? To kill person. Now, that's why one policeman go kill person for Port Harcourt. Go shoot thief for Port Harcourt. Then sack the man now. If they go kill thief when he colleague, they rule us. Baba, this country don't have even staff for FCMP, no get MB to come online again. My brother, this Lagos, when they try you, DJ, I be man snap with my bag. Now, you dey into construction, I dey try build my career. Snap with DJ, I beg, snap with that. When I clap for this man, I beg, clap for him now. Who they snap? Hey. You know what I want is an collect loan? You go laugh, me be like I the crack on joke. Don't snap. Baba, to clap now, be problem. When I do this joke, then I leave. That comedian, they go there, that MC, they say time up. No try for Port Harcourt, though. They kill MC before they kill show. My brother, where are they? My brother, this country now scam. Country where person they study electrical engineering for school when no get light. Our country be this. And it does joke at the thing, so. My brother, see, let me do this. Make I tell you, they say no time, I don't want to impress anybody. Tinubu never impress us. You understand? My brother, country don't hard. Apart from comedy, I'm a Yahoo boy. I never pick. Then pick me. I say, man, go learn Yahoo. Yeah, the idiot, first of all, teach me work. Say, man, bring 2 million. I get 2 million, now I'm going to learn Yahoo. He dey craze. Very stupid guy. I got the shots for the guy. Say, Baba, help me. Say, man, I know the shots. Say, now him, your guy, use pick. I know that. I say, we won't learn Yahoo. We pay 2 million, and then they realize, and I be maga to yoga. That one no verse me. One of my guy. The guy do Yahoo 4 years. You know people. You know say the guy do is Michael Jackson. They work. If they use don't die, they try convince the living. They chat client say, send money. Client say you're dead. They say I want to do burial. Idiot. My brother. Now you know what thing happen for this country. Now before a person they buy a car. Baba, you know say before people they buy a car, drive car. Highest 3 years you don't dash person. Now people they drive car they turn to another car. One of my guy buy Corolla last year, drive and Corolla can't they expand. Turn to Sienna, I paint and sell them as Benz. That That will no vex me. One guy buy 4 runner, drive so 3 runner die. My brother, if you be thief, travel go abroad, you go make a move. All the thief, please listen. If you be thief, can you wave? I beg volunteer to be thief. This last joke. Be thief, I beg. Baba, for abroad, thief get pride, though. For abroad, I go see where thief enter person supermarket, thief bread, they go. Now the guy at the class say, Joe, you have not pay for the bread, man. See where thief they shout. Damn it! I'm paying for no bread, nigga. Thief, oh. They say, how come they don't want to pay for bread? He said, the US government gave the flour for free? How come we're going to pay for bread? Damn it, bro. He said, Coco. I said, Coco, if you talk about take some butter and pizza. Tifo. When I listen to the rush, this guy go carry this thing, carry and go, nothing go happen to him. Now one idiot. See this thing finish, carry enter a woman shop, collect bread, they go. The woman tell her, say, my pikin never give me money. He say, I'm paying for no bread, nigga. The woman tell her, say, my pikin do it sweet, yo. He said, if you talk more, I take some granite. I do man the advice and say, they say, fly when they hear one, I for gravy the end, though. When they laugh, your hearing don't fall, I idiot. When I laugh. It is when I play. Carry the bread and granite, go. 2 weeks later, they lap this guy for keke come. In belly don't big pass his head. And then the beg man say, please forgive this young man. I'm out they speak. Say, don't forgive me. Shit. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. That was my time. I love you guys. Isaac Bassey.
All right. M.O.P. Sleep of talk.
I will not eat the country again. Bet Naija want kill us. Every day, I play bet. And you know, say betting get one near success syndrome. Every time when you play, it go be like say you don't almost catch them. That's what betting be. It always be like say you don't almost catch them. I play 10 games, 2 caught them. I play 2, 1 caught them.
They play 1.
I play 1, he caught. I not play yesterday, my slippers caught. I just I say, which kind of nonsense with this? Which day will I be successful? Nonsense thing with betting they do us. Everybody just they also. Yesterday, now I say make I write joke for this show. I go browse the internet. I say make I even see what it happen. When first if it's take crack joke as M.O.P. don't pave way for me. Make I use the way where. I dey browse the internet, complain everywhere. Everybody just they complain. Everybody just they complain. Now why know they like perform like this? When I see each other outside though. Just make everybody know say you buy table for the first time. It used to be there, I know, and I'm a regular guy now. God has done it for you. You won't distract the show. Now my chairman, an artist though. I'll let him and the family know his song. Oh, and they browse the internet yesterday. People just they complain left and right. Dollar. Prrr. They say Tinubu don't scatter the country. Everybody they complain. Everybody apart from the Igbos. The Igbos no they complain no. They just they sing. Igbo, yes now, Igbo people just they sing. You know not the browse internet. Igbo people just they sing. They just they happy. I don't know how they just they happy. Anywhere you see 2 or 3 Igbo people in a studio. I say, I go buy DVD for Alaba. If you hear track when I hear, for one DVD one I want buy, see song where they just they sing. I know they hear their language, but you must hear Tinubu, Nigeria, 12 years. If you see music, if Igbo people continue like this, they go first Davido win Grammy. If they continue like this, music everywhere, for their corner, you use the. When they born me before, I would say only one flavor day Igbo land. Different flavor day. Undu bisi ladikwo go start the song with your own flavor. Tinubu. Okay, Chuku electronics go back and up. I say, hey. But it is sweet one like this. And the thing they only baffle me. They pay me because I remember during election. Now Yoruba people be they sing. No, I remember now. Yoruba people be they sing during election. Now after election, Igbos don't discover their talent. not just they baffle me, they pay me. Because why all the tribe for this country no fit just unite? Yes, now. Why all of us no fit just sing at the same time? That too, don't stop say you pave way for me because now your laugh loud pass. And nobody did it for me. I'm doing it by myself here. Hey. I say I don't need assistance. Tomorrow. I'm very keen on this. Idris Abdulkarim now is saying he made the way for Jesus too. I don't need assistance. I came here alone. I will leave here alone. Crazy times, man. No time for this country where they unite. The only time for this country where all the tribe they unite now for advertisement. Yes, now. Not only detergent advertisement, they unite us for this country. They want to advertise homo, carry women from different tribes. And the only time where they unite for this country, people will vote Peter Obi, they laugh. People will vote Tinubu, like say not be the same country, all of us there. If you know the things where they baffle me, they tweet every day now. Egg is not 3.9. I hope people that voted APC are buying it for one. Which kind of who go sell them for them for 1,000? Don't be the same country, all of us did. No unity for the country. Everybody just they do their own. We see they mock each other now. We be say things don't double price. Everything don't triple price now. People they work out for supermarket now. They look price like say that they look mirror. I see one guy for supermarket yesterday. They look price tag like saying they look mirror. Just the worker for the. You guys made mistake. Come. Is that come? Come and see. That's not the price of milk. The man look at. Okay, that's the price of milk. For milk. Milk. Is this what people are selling milk for? Milk. No wahala. The man for my front, I know the joke for supermarket. The man come on phone calling mama. He say hello, mommy. I did. Which age you thought say I stopped to the suck breast? That. The mama says 6 months. He says 6 months. I quick stop. I can't complete. You think I will buy milk from this animal when I still have mother with 2 breasts? Come on there. Milk don't cost, everything don't cost, but we still they find time they mock one another. Sad, my sister. When they share, Molly did this show. Very sad, man. People they tweet, hope me locals and buy it. But no, say contrary to public opinion, contrary to what you know, people who vote APC know they actually suffer for this regime. Yes, now. Yes, people who vote APC they buy things cheaper. Tinubu don't give us code on how to buy things cheaper. Anybody who vote APC where they suffer for this regime, na person will not they come meeting. You give me oh, you say I vote? Peter will be why I go vote person when I know his age? See this one. Make I vote president. Why? Not disrespectful thing. Now, why you go know your president age? I like my president mysterious. Just something. Will they solve? Well, to get to president age, you go solve. I like a president that keeps mathematics alive. You go solve. Tinubu is 42. How old is his father? Take X equal. Board mass. Now, what do they enjoy? Board mass, not president or just, what is your president? You go get it. They weaken the brain. All those things, easy. I don't like you. The president with the IDH, like, babe, that's sexy. I vote Tinubu now. Tinubu tell us for the last meeting. After he tell us, enjoy your weekend, he tell us how to enjoy the weekend. He give us one code. Now, only people who vote APC, the thing they work for, me, Sheilo, and co. Now, only... the tell you, only was the thing they work for. I go share down with you now. But you no go work for now, no vote APC now. Now go just the suffer. If you want to buy things cheaper, now secret the year, you go need them, you. If you want to buy things cheaper, see those people when they discuss bet Nigeria cheaper, they don't quiet. If you want to buy things cheaper for this regime, just go any Yoruba woman store. The year, as you enter the store, before you begin pick anything, distance steps, so if you miss any step, they will increase the price. Before you begin pick anything, just shout at the top of your voice. Ulama! Bala blue! One spirit will be like Oshomole go just come outside, they change the prices. But just they walk. I'm not going they walk. Why you say Shaylo? I they come. Why you say you know what Shaylo last interview? Shaylo saying go beat Nobo Igwe. It's a person who never chop go get that kind of mind. Not be oh no way you want beat to Igwe. He saying go beat Nobo Igwe. Shaylo they buy things cheap now. You don't chop, get power. If you want to get power, try that thing. Just not go Igbo people store. They feel they single. Yoruba only go Igbo people store. Go shout Bulaba, spoil one of their music. They knock something for your head. Now you sabi. And the only way this country fit work. And before I come out, I still get one thing because I vote Tinubu and I go stand on them. I still believe in Tinubu government too. Yes. You two will play too. They crazy. I go tell una why. Una no dey ever do reasoning for this country. Make we reason together. No be fight. I know now you will vote Peter Obi. Enjoy yourself. Me, I know I voted. 2 people vote Tinubu and win. You know they fear that kind of person. 2 people vote one man, he become president. You know they fear him. I respect that man. No. I say, this Tinubu government, I still believe him because of history. Because of Jonathan government. I remember Jonathan government that time. I saw we be the yab and say Jonathan no they work. But we don't know. Say that time when Jonathan did government, people there where they scatter in government, they sabotage in government. They just gather, they spoil in government. The only person will be support Jonathan genuinely that time, and his wife Patience. And even that one support came at a price. That woman go interview, say my fellow widows, kill Jonathan for our front. Murder the president, turn out to Walking Dead. And the feeling when I get this Tinubu government, they try. People there where they sabotage Tinubu government. No, no. People there where they sabotage Tinubu government now. Yes, now I go tell you then today. That heat will happen earlier this year. It is that in a natural heat. See you. PDP heat. Heat where PDP release. If I see PDP heat, I no go now. That's a PDP sponsored heat. Let me they tell you. I know that the heat they so strategic. Heat will not happen during December where everybody dey outside. It go happen for February where 2 or more people need to dey inside. February, month of love, where 2 or more people need to just, celebrate Valentine. They tap. Now I come by this time. I go to my show now. Let me be the M.O.P. They come. Mona, no worry.
Call to you join. I join too.
Heat. They want to use heat spoil Tinubu government because they know say if they bring heat for February, we go notice because we need them inside. But guess what? Nigerian men like sex, so that heat not stop them. Jesus, that heat not stop the next generation of children where they go born, the kind of hot temper where they go get.
Yes.